It goes back and forth. She's like,
Is she okay that you're here?
yeah, kinda.
I started it now.
What happened to my carrots?
You get 10 seconds.
Did you eat them both? If you can't breathe, honey, take
I can
water.
breathe.
Okay.
You have 9.5 minutes left.
Oh, you're bad. Oh, God. Oh.
I need a trash can just in case I puke.
No, puke.
Oh, my God. You guys are just plain old.
Oh my God.
Brandon,
They're awful.
you're terrible. He tried to get me to eat them.
We were gonna sneak in your coffee.
Freaking
You're
way.
gonna sneak it in one of your foods.
Oh my God, my
You
tongue.
gotta sneak it in my food?
Yeah.
I would have been like choking. I would have been crying. I would have been crying. I would have been, Brandon, what are you doing to me? Did you poison me?
Oh my God.
Well, thank you for not doing that. I appreciate it.
9 minutes left.
I appreciate that you did do that to me. Oh my God.
Oh my God, it feels like someone's cutting my
What are
tongue
they
out.
called, honey? What are those called?
I don't know, they were in second place on this website, we found out.
They're second hardest.
They're not habanero.
They're way worse.
They were like chai.
Thai pepper.
Thai.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you
my
just love a freeze pop
Oh,
right
but
now?
my heart. No, I don't.
Wouldn't you love a freeze pop?
No.
No milk?
No.
Want some milk?
No. It's only been like 2 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. My eyes are watering.
You want some cheese, honey?
Yeah, later.
Cheese helps with
Oh my, it's
Are you
messing with
eating
my.
my raspberries? Those are mine.
You can't have anything for 8 more minutes.
Oh, it's getting worse too. It's not even getting better. It's like fucking. This whole area is just like.
Oh, what are you on cam? He's on webcam.
Yep.
How do you do
I'm
that?
videotaping this.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Get some light here.
Oh,
Ah.
that's your stuff, right, Justin? Okay.
Yeah.
Windex, you think it's dirty in here?
My mom said it was.
Your mom said it's dirty in here?
Yeah. Oh my God. My heart.
What does she think is dirty?
The windows and stuff. Oh. Ah. Ah.
The windows are dirty?
Oh, you. No, they're like the glass. Oh my.
Oh, the glass?
Yeah. Ah.
I don't even see that stuff.
He's got like. You think you do for 7 more minutes?
Yeah. Whew. I think it's starting to wear off a little bit now. I'm gonna blow my nose.
You want to blow your nose?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think that was in the rules that you can blow your nose.
I don't think you guys want boogers all
No, I don't want boogers in my salad.
Ugh.
Oh my goodness, you boys.
Ugh.
No spitting.
Oh,
It's definitely,
now I already
definitely
started
a
before.
boy thing.
What is there to eat?
What is there to eat? There's a freezer full of stuff.
There's American chop suey still, I think.
That might not be good anymore.
Oh.
Now. We might have to
French
throw it away.
fries
That's
suck.
about, well, that's a
Steak
week
is
old
today.
today,
Burgers
actually.
yesterday.
Oh.
That leaves hot dogs.
It's like on top of my gum now.
Isn't there a bunch of chicken?
I ate it all.
There's chicken, there's pizza.
I ate all the chicken.
There's chicken patties. And the pizza sucks. I don't like Supreme.
What, how about those other ones?
Those ones are like the little black kids.
Oh, 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 oh.
Ugh.
Wow.
How'd that taste?
Ugh.
That burp tastes
That
good.
burp.
Oh, no, it didn't. Ugh. Some puke came up with it. Oh.
That's called heartburn, honey.
Oh, I've never had heartburn in my life, and I'm happy I don't.
Now you do.
You got 5.5 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
Ugh.
Is this worth $3, honey?
It's worth 5.
It's worth 5.
Because after I get an ice popsicle, it's gonna feel all good.
It's gonna feel so good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get more peppers.
Yeah, you should, man.
What do they put those on? Pizza?
I'll do this next.
They use those at your
Those
work?
onions?
Wait, they use those at work?
No, they don't.
Where did you
This
get
guy
them?
This guy just made grow them.
Oh.
We should like figure out how to grow that.
Yeah. So 30 minutes?
In the oven?
What?
Man, because those are good praying things because they're so small.
Wait, this?
Those little chili peppers.
Oh yeah.
$3.75. Wow. Put it up to 400 and do it for.
Man, I feel kind of high.
You feel what?
A little bit high.
High?
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
How do you know what that feels like?
Cause we're.
Secondhand and shit.
Oh, Justin. Woo. Is the worst over?
Yeah, it is. Most. Because the worst thing was, it was messing with my heart too. Alright, I'm not allowed to spit.
Oh,
Oh.
God.
This is so enjoyable.
You're just mean, Brandon.
I gave a homeless guy $5 yesterday.
What's the deal?
That was bad though.
Did he go drink after?
Probably. He's like, hey dude, can I have 97 cents? Get a beer? I'm like, oh,
What are you gonna do, honey?
I held him out, gave him a 5, I only had a 5. He's like, dude, give me another 5 and I can get a Percocet. Like, get the fuck out of my face. Kid.
What the fuck is a Percocet?
Percocet's a drug.
It's drugs.
Oh.
Like, are you kidding me? Well, a
It's
girl
like-
right now brought girl onto Pep's Pizza for a date. That guy does that. It's just because I neutralized the problem. Because he could have a knife, you know what I mean? What? You don't think a homeless guy could have a knife?
I'm sure he does.
Exactly. What if I was like, what if I was rude about it?
I don't know, you should be able to outspend a homeless guy. Or take him on. Just punch him right in the bridge of the
I
nose.
could freaking kill him, but I mean.
Woo! It's like making my head right now.
How's your head feel?
Feels like a Mack truck hit it. Maybe I got a hangover.
Probably.
And when is the last time you ate one of these?
Last night. But that was this one.
Yeah, this is.
Were you here last night?
Yeah.
You didn't stay at your grandparents?
They didn't call. I ended up spending the night at Isaac's house the night before. So I just ended up coming back here.
Oh, you were here alone last night?
No?
Oh, I thought you
I
said
wasn't
you
here
didn't
last
sleep here.
night.
Oh,
Wait, was I here last night? Yeah, I was here last night.
I
He was
don't
here.
remember.
so I thought you said you slept at Hector's.
No, I slept at Isaac's and he might have slept at
I
Isaac's.
went to Hector's.
Did you sleep at Hector's?
No, I just didn't want to explain whether or not the guy came here or not. I don't know if he did.
Oh no. It was nice chilling, though.
Did anybody come in?
They were supposed to.
Justin?
Did somebody named Jim Murphy show up, whitehead guy?
Is that the guy? He might have, because my light was on when I came here.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is so stupid.
What?
Taking out all this red shit. What is it? Tomatoes?
No, those are red peppers. Those are good, honey.
They're disgusting.
You're like a little kid, man.
Huh?
Yes.
Like
Yeah,
a little
right.
kid.
The only thing I don't like in this whole world is green peppers, red peppers.
Red peppers
And
are good.
onions.
Red peppers
The
are
whole world.
sweet, honey.
I'll
Red-
eat spinach, I'll eat anything in the
Man,
whole
I
world.
don't like spinach from a can. It's too
I'll
like.
eat everything.
Well, frozen spinach. Fuck my heart.
Which time you get left?
Just like 2 minute, 1 minute. It's all over basically.
Oh wait,
but
you
the
have it
frying.
recorded from the video, right?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it at?
9 minutes.
Okay.
Thought I was gonna be able to get my money back.
I was thinking about it at first.
You're thinking about getting the drink?
Yeah, I was thinking about getting some. Because the cheese and everything. If you weren't talking, even if you weren't talking.
Is this onions and cheese?
You don't like onions
I
either?
think that's onion, honey.
I like cooked onions on my steak.
Yeah.
That's onion.
I don't like fresh onions. Like,
It's disgusting.
when they're a little bit old, it's all good, but like fresh onions are like too strong.
Fresh onions are
Well,
disgusting.
some of them are. There's Vidalia onions. They're not as strong.
No. Ah.
Is time up?
I got like 5 seconds. 4, 3,
There you go.
2,
Grab a glass of milk.
I'm eating popsicle. Screw milk.